The world we live in is in constant motion, filled with new roads, traffic jams and road maintenances. So why send your fleet into the dark? With Rewire Security's GPS tracking solutions, you'll have complete visibility of your fleet, knowing where your vehicles are, where they are heading and where they have been. We keep your mobile assets visible for you 24/7. Your fleet will be productive, your vehicles and drivers safe. And you will be able to verify that your drivers were on site at the right time, and you will have the right answer for your customers. You will get notified when a vehicle reaches its destination. You will be able to ensure that your valuable equipment is well maintained and operating efficiently, resulting in less time spent on management. You will be able to view fuel levels in real time and manage fuel costs, as well as risky driver behavior. When it comes to vehicle tracking, driver behavior and fuel management, Rewire Security's GPS tracking solutions make it easier for businesses to work smarter. Visit our website today to learn more about our services.